Oh noes! I've got a flat tire. Can't move. Get you a couple screwdrivers. You don't have to worry about ruining the tube, it's already shot. Alright. I find it easiest to remove the whole tire so you're not fighting putting the new tube in. So just go through here, up, past the tube, and out the other side. And then just pry it off. Oh wow. Well, maybe I think I did that to let the air out. But here's a, well, I'm not sure what happened to this tube. However, you want to check the inside of the tire for any sharp objects, and the outside for nail, screw. So I think it was the stem that gave out, because I don't feel anything sharp in here. Here's the tube I picked up at Ace Hardware. I'll supply an Amazon link of the same size. Yeah, it looks too small. I guess it stretches out. Wow, look at that. Put a little soapy water on there. Makes it slide on real nice. Yeah. Alright. Line up the valve stem. You want the valve stem nice and straight. To keep it from slipping out, you can put the cap on. That'll help if it wants to slip out. So, I want to get this in there. Now here's where you got to be careful. You want to pull up and over without hitting the tube. Just get on the edge. Watch you don't hit the tube, of course. Push down and in. Nice. Right on. So, this is still straight. Now, well, we'll re-lube this up and dry it out. I'll hold it down here. Mallet. Nice. Let's go pump it up. Get a pair of needle nose and hold the stem outward so they don't push it in. Wow. We're about 33, 34 pounds. 30 psi. Let me let it a little bit out. Tire size. Inflation, load info. A little bit of lubrication on the shaft. Grease is best. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Hope this has helped someone. In the next video, I'll show how to pull a bush with a two-wheel drive vehicle.